Our second session is on innovation in insurance. So let me invite a veteran in the field to take the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ICICI Lombard Health Insurance, Mr. Bhargav Dasgupta. Please put your hands together for Mr. Dasgupta.
You see, over the last 10 years, as this industry has grown, the health insurance industry, we all know that there's been tremendous change in the underlying healthcare industry itself. In terms of capacity, you see the number of facilities, number of doctors, number of hospital beds that have been increased, in spite of the fact that even then the total number is still low compared to international benchmarks. There's been change in terms of capability, in terms of the quality of treatment. We've seen outstanding development in that area. You've seen changes in context. By context, what I mean is that the overall awareness and understanding of the health issues are very different today than what it was in the last 10 years back. And if you look at the health insurance sector within this framework, again over the last 10 years, lots have changed. This industry was really a very rudimentary industry which was just beginning to take the first baby steps. As we speak today, last year this industry was a 17,620 crore industry. Over the last 20 years, the industry has grown at about 28% CAGR. But something which is even more heartening is, in the last, I would say, about 5 or 6 years, more than 300 million people have been covered under various social insurance schemes of the government. And there was a talk about, universal healthcare when Dr. Panda spoke. One of the biggest innovation that has happened in the Indian industry, in the healthcare industry, is the initiative called RSBY, which the central government drove over the last 5-6 years. With its various pluses and minuses, at the end of the day, that's actually provided treatment free of charge to 5 million people in the last 5 years. That's a remarkable progress, something that even the World Bank has acknowledged as an amazing journey. But if I look ahead over the next 10 years, what are the changes that we see? What are the innovations that we see in the health insurance space? I would argue that there will be changes in the three key areas. One is in the area of product. If you look at the entire healthcare spending for the country, about 30% of the healthcare spending is inpatient care, where you actually get hospitalized and get treated in a hospital. 70% of the spends are outpatient. And if you look at the health insurance products, there is not a single product today which addresses that 70% of the market. So a market which is this size, as an industry, we've kind of narrowed our focus down to a very small sliver of that industry. And there are very genuine good reasons why the industry has done that. There's been concerns about misuse, abuse, overuse, lack of controls, frauds. But our submission and our view is that today technology is changing. Today the supply of quality physician networks is changing. And that is creating an opportunity for the industry to address that 70% of the market. I believe as we go along over the next 5 years, we'll see tremendous change in this domain, where the industry will begin to focus a lot more on other aspects of the healthcare space, rather than just the curative care that it has been focusing on till now. The second area within the products and service space where we see a lot of change is, again, in the area of preventive. Everyone, all of us understand that the awareness of health is significantly increasing today. You just go to a Sunday morning in Marine Drive, you'll see the number of marathon runners, and you'll know what changes happened. What we are also seeing is that corporates are getting more and more conscious about the need for providing holistic and preventive healthcare services for their employees. The second domain of innovation that we see happening very, very rapidly is in the area of service. And when we talk about service as an insurance company, our service is really the claims that we pay. That's what the product is really. One of the things that we saw when we talked to our customers was that at the time of discharge from a hospital, you want to go home as soon as possible. And the concern was that it takes a lot of time for an insurance company to process the paperwork. So we said it's a simple process. So we said, if you have your mobile number, I will send an SMS to you when I get all the papers from the hospital. Let's say I get it at 11:03, and within 1 hour, I'll process it and send you an SMS back at within 12:03, saying that it's been cleared from our side. Remarkable feedback from customers. And this is being made possible because of technology and low cost of technology today. My belief is that you will see significantly higher changes in the claims service side, where you will see auto adjudication, you will see artificial intelligence based processing, which will improve the speed and the experience of customers. So that's the second area where we will see a lot of innovation. And the third area where I believe we will see innovation is some insurance companies will play a more active and a larger role in the entire health consumption behavior of customers. Not just in terms of products that I talked about, but one of the issues that when we talk to our customers is that they're getting increasingly confused with the scale of choices that they're getting, the amount of information that they're fed with, and the lack of believable information out there in the market. And in healthcare, as we all know, there is huge asymmetry of information between, let's say, a hospital and a patient. And they're seeking help and guidance from someone that they can trust. And that's increasingly a role that someone will have to play. And my belief is that some health insurance companies will be able to play that role. These are some of the changes that we see happening. And our belief is that over the years, we will see tremendous improvement in the engagement that you will see with consumers and the insurance companies. Thank you.